Hey everyone, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and it's that time again. Although I'm late, I'm going to plan out this week and get this organization flowing because I'm feeling a little bit rattled in my brain. It could be all of the cold medicine, but the lack of organization is definitely playing a part as well. So get out your planner, let's do it. Okay, so you guys know my little pocket love. This, let's take out, this is my monthly. This is what October is looking like. It's a busy month, you guys. Woo! Mama's tired. Mama's tired. Let's take out this weekly insert. I've gotten some questions. My weekly inserts are printable inserts from Annie Plans Printable. This is a week, 1 week on a page, on 2-page vertical. And then this one was another Hobonichi Weeks Halloween kit, and it's so stinking cute. And that leads us to the last page in this journal, which I am, or in this printable insert, which I am actually going to glue to the previous page, because when my journal, when my pocket got wet in my purse, it kind of bled onto this page here. So I am just going to glue them together and call this one Dunzo. Is that okay with you guys? I hope so, because I just did it. Okay. All right, and then some of you asked where I store my old inserts, and I will show you right now. My used inserts, I made this little book from a, I got the idea from Dede Willingham on YouTube. She is, I don't know how to describe her. She is fantastic, and I will link her channel below, but she does a lot of like live uploads. She calls them shows, where she does different like art projects, or she colors in different like coloring books and stuff. And one day she made these little journals using like cardboard, like leftover cardboard. This was from a cereal box, I think, or some sort of snack box. And you fold it and make a spine, and then use scrapbook paper to cover it, and then packing tape to secure the whole thing. And it's kind of cool because it's got like a pocket here, and then it's got a big chunky old spine. And you could use cute, you know, you could use cute rubber bands. And then it's got a pocket here. But I wasn't using it for a long time. It was, my daughter was using it and just playing with it. And I just thought it was cute and fun to make. But then I realized it held these inserts perfectly. So that is what I've been using it for now. So what I do is I get a little rubber band. And I put it through the spine of my book. And then I just slip it in here. And that's where I've been collecting them, guys. So it works pretty perfectly. I see I was, here's my original like month. I didn't do much with that. July. These were my like daily pages. I wasn't originally going to keep those, and then I don't know, I just did. This is my first completed monthly book that I'm slipping in here. But it's a good way to store them. It really is. It's like the perfect little size, and I can fit probably a whole year, my whole year of pocket inserts in here. And then I could just label it, you know, 2019 pocket. And it's perfect. Absolutely perfect. I love it. Fun little project. Maybe we'll make another one. If you guys have any interest in seeing me make another one or something, so you can see how to make something to store your inserts, just let me know, because it was a fun project. And I didn't make it at this time. I wasn't using a pocket, so I didn't do the measurements perfectly, you know, to fit pocket size inserts. So I'm just making it work. but it works perfectly. And what a fun little way to store these things. So for those of you who have asked, that is what I'm doing currently. And I just wrap this headband thing around it just to keep it closed. But you can see when it's full, I mean, that'll be like all my, you know, holds a lot of inserts. So that's that. And then for my next monthly or weekly insert, I think I am actually going to switch it up. I'm not going to print one. I had gotten, Anne, my little Happy Mail Fairy, had sent me, like in the first package, she sent me a lot of these little booklets that she had gotten in Happy Scrappie, and just different, like simply gilded little pocket-sized notebooks that she wasn't using, that were just going to waste. So I think what I am going to do is turn this into a weekly insert and use it. So that is what my plan is. So let's work on that. And then I need to take a little bit of inventory to see what stickers I have for this coming week, because if you guys haven't noticed, I've gone a little bit sticker nuts. Oh, you have noticed. Okay, yeah. I think everyone's noticed. So what I'm going to do is split these into the boxes, and just going to make a line here and split this. And then I'll have, you know, a box for each day of the week, and then maybe one for notes. I'm not sure. I just thought if I have these, I might as well use them because they're so cute and the paper quality is so nice. And I know this won't always go with my theme, the little picture that's in it, but I can always cover that up with a sticker or, you know, something. So it might, and it might sometimes go. So I'm just planning on doing like maybe a notes Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday kind of thing. So let's do that. Let's see where this takes us. And this was my clip. This has been so cute on all of my Halloween weeks. Oh my goodness, I've loved it. So let me get myself together here. I am so scatterbrained today that it's ridiculous. All right, here is my planner sticker binder, and this is a mess. This is a mess. Like all my Shine Sticker Studio stuff is a mess because I, you know, have been buying left and freaking right. And I have another order coming because, you guys, I learned, I'm going to give you a sneak peek because I've been so extra lately in planning, you know, my next year planner setup. And I figured out that I bought one of the clearance monthly kits for the EC, and I figured out that you can make it work for your A5 Hobonichi Techo monthly layout. And so I've laid out September of next year, and it's so cute that I can't even handle it, you guys. I'm dying. And so I've been obsessing about trying to get all of those clearance monthly kits so that I can do all of the monthly layouts in my next year A5 that I'm doing. And it's just, I've gone completely off the deep end. So this is what has taken up all of my extra brain power. And also realizing that pocket kits also look really cute in my A5. So like I ordered on the clearance on Shine Sticker Studio, there was a kit that was for 2019 New Year's, and I got it and I decorated the first week in 2020 with that kit. And I still have these boxes because I don't know exactly what's going to be going on that week. But this was just me playing and having some de-stress time. And can I just tell you that, like, guys, and I put in the little tabs. Like, how cute are the little black hollow tabs in my jelly cover?
Oh God, I can't start talking about it or I'll just... It gives me heart palpitations. I love it so much. Like, isn't that weird? Yes, it's crazy. Get a grip, Emily.
All right. So some of these are things I bought from Michael's, and some of them are things I've ordered from the website. So I need to, first of all, get myself together. Get yourself together, lady. And then I also bought these pockets, these adhesive pockets to put in my A5, like to store my sticker sheet maybe that I'm using for the week. Like I said, I'm off the freaking rails. I am done. Like, my brain has been overtaken by a 12-year-old obsessed with stickers, basically. So I'm gonna put this, the fall away and Christmas away, because we'll use those starting in November. So I'm gonna use this and maybe hopefully stretch this between two kids. Are these the right width? I think they are, because I think these are gonna be perfect. Yes, they are, you guys. I don't even have to trim them. I'm gonna use a little bit of white out here. As always, I went mute when I started planning, but I used the whiteout to get rid of the little picture that was on there. But can I tell you, I'm so excited. The pocket kits fit the boxes in this Happy Scrappy little booklet absolutely perfectly. I didn't measure them, but they must be like standard pocket size. I don't even know what that is. Like, how does it work so perfectly? I don't know, but I about had a heart attack because it's perfection. Usually I, finagle them and cut them apart. Well, this just looks so cute. So it made my heart really sing, apparently. And then I'm just writing in the dates, and I just decided to use a microperm, the microperm pen, which, beware, did bleed through this paper. So I'll have to like glue the next week to the back of this week just so that it didn't bleed through. Whatever, and then I'm using the deco sticker up in the corner, and the habit tracker. I had to skim just like the slightest bit off each side of the habit tracker, and then it fit right there. And then I'm using the half boxes just to put, like different events or whatever. I don't plan it out in advance. I just kind of stick stuff on there. But then I use other stickers that don't actually belong, that aren't actually for what I'm using them for, but just so that I can use them. Does that make any sense? So it's actually Wednesday today. I'm just back planning the last part of my week because I wanted to have it complete, and I like setting it up. So, it's these little things that get you through life that you just got to do. And then, those candy corn to-do lists, I like to cut those to-do lists up sometimes and use parts of them to mark different things, because a lot of times there's not enough boxes for the things that we have going on. And then I put a to-do sticker, which, should be like the header for like a list or something. And I just put it in the middle of Tuesday to remind me that we had to go to our attorney's office at 2 and sign our will and stuff that we just had put together. And then they had karate that night. And then I used the rest of that little candy corn flag to mark, like a stretch of time, because I'm going to work this afternoon. So I kind of used that like you would use a strip of washi. And then one of the little, I think these are supposed to be little list separators or decoration or something, but I used it to mark early out for my kids' school today. And then I used a to-do sticker to remind myself that I have to go to my son's school and volunteer. Well, both my kids go there to help his teacher volunteer. So that was Wednesday. And I used a big sticker for Thursday because I have 2 appointments tomorrow. So I thought I could record both of them on that big sticker. Appointment with my new therapist, who I really enjoy, and then a physical for work. I have to get a physical every year for health insurance for my work. So got to do that tomorrow. And then, let's see, I think I used a little clipped piece of candy corn to mark my daughter's dance classes on Thursday night. And then the little car icon for Friday night to mark one of Addie's little friends has an aerial like gymnastics performance show. So I'm going to take Addie probably on Friday night to support her little friend Cora. And then on Saturday, I used another one of those little decorative dividers to mark that we need to do Addie's makeup brownie meetings because her last 2 brownie meetings have fallen on the Saturdays when we've had to go to funerals. So she's missed both of them, and so we need to make those up so she can earn her badges towards her journey. So that will be fun. And I'm using, let's see, a little to-do sticker for tumbling on Sunday. And then I use some of the fall freebies that they send with your order just to decorate. A little piece of candy I stuck in there. And then Friday was looking a little empty, so I put a little to-do list from another Hobonichi Weeks kit that I had used a previous week, and then put film edit upload, and then used a little piece of candy corn decoration. I think it's so cute. I can't handle it, you guys. I get the sticker thing now. I totally get it. I'm sorry that I ever doubted you, people that love stickers. I'm sorry. I'm sticking my foot wholly in my mouth and eating it because it's great. It's really fun. And if that's what you want to spend your money on, then knock your freaking self out because life is too short. And these stickers make me happy. So, live and let live. Anyway, so I'm putting it back in my pocket and getting on with my day. I am excited about this little pack, this little, what am I saying? This little booklet because the size is perfect. So if you're new here, thank you for joining me in this little pocket. Next year is an A5 hobo. We're going to have fun. Thanks.